So step number one, we are in our Digistore24 and we're gonna go directly to marketplace to select a product, right? So scroll down, and in this video we're gonna select the number 2 product of Digistore24 is related to keto meal plan. This is a really popular product, and this product converts really well nowadays. That's why this product is number 2 in Digistore24. You guys can see the cart conversion is 27% people. It means 100 people can go to this offer, or 27 people can buy the product. So this is a really good offer right now, and we're gonna promote this one. Okay, so go to sales page. First of all, we go and see the sales page. Let's see. So it will take few seconds. So now you guys can see the sales page. It is very basic, very simple sales page. You guys can see only one video, and after some time, once the video pass the certain minutes, then you guys can see the video button pops up. Okay, so we're gonna go and promote this product. So we need the screenshot of this video. You guys must screenshot of this sales page, sales video. Okay, so once you did this, then we go to the step number 2, and we're gonna create a landing page. So you guys can see I am in systeme.io. This is completely free. I'm gonna give you a link in the description, and I'm gonna create a landing page. So we just click create, and we click custom and click create. That's it. Okay, we call it a name, so we call it just diet right now. That's it. And now you guys can see create step, and again we call it a name. Right now we call it again the diet, and you guys can see choose step type. So you guys can scroll down and you guys can choose sales page. Okay, click this and save the sales page. And now systeme.io will show you a lot of templates, but we're gonna select the first one, and we're gonna delete everything because we need a completely completely blank template. Okay, you guys can see edit page. Click this, and we're gonna create our landing page. So you guys can see there's a lot of stuffs in here. You guys can see everything you guys can find is in this sales page, but we don't need this stuff. Okay, we just delete this like this. Yes, delete like this. So once I delete it, then I'm gonna show you what do you guys do next. Okay, so you guys can see that I delete everything except this space, but I delete every single thing. So first of all, we're gonna add the background color. You guys can see green rectangle. In this, you guys can click this, and you guys can see scroll down and inner background color. Click this, and I'm go with like dark gray. No, we go background color. Okay, click this. Okay, we just select a dark gray or something like this. This looks good, and the inner looks white looks good. Okay, that's it. So now we're gonna add a headline. You guys can see headline text. Click this and tap it here. Now we just paste our headline related to weight loss product. That's why I added this headline. You guys can read it. So you guys can see H1 and font type. We click this and web safe fonts, and again the select, and this one I would like to go with this one because I like this one, and I'm gonna add a red color. Once you select this, then you guys scroll down and you guys can see text color. Click this and select red one. Now it's up to you, but I like to go with red color, and copy this, and you guys can see U icon. Click this, and again I'm gonna select all, and you guys can see B. Click this, and this will be bold for you. So step number 1 is done. Step number 2 is you guys scroll down and you guys can see media. In media you guys can see image. Grab this and just drop here, and you guys can add your, I'm gonna show you, wait a minute, I have that image. So there is a sales page video, which sales page video screenshot. I added it here, you guys can see easily. And scroll down, and I'm gonna add a button right now. Scroll all the way down, and now you guys can see, okay, wait a minute, okay, in forms you guys can see form, you guys can see button. Grab this and just drop here, that's it. Okay, and now we're gonna set the button up. Click this and scroll all the way down. First of all, we change the color blue, we go with like red one right now. Red looks good. Where is the red, bro? There you go. I'm go with the red one. And scroll down, and again color border, we also go with red one. Okay, now our color is done, and now we're gonna change the sub text here. Scroll up, and you guys can see subtext here, and I'm gonna add something like watch the video. There you go, and there you go. And now again we're gonna add one more thing, is scroll down, and size, font size, we go like 40 looks good. And scroll down, and padding, you guys can see padding, you guys can see 90. I'm go with like 170 or 180. Now this looks really good, our button, but our background looks not really good right now. You guys can see, just click this, and again I'm gonna change the background. So click this and go with like dark brown, dark gray. So this looks really good, and I'm also going with change. So let's see how our sales page looks like. Grab this and drag it, drop it here, delete this, and you guys can see our sales page looks really good right now. Really basic, simple sales page, landing page, sorry. And I'm gonna change the color of, again scroll down, background color dark. Now this looks good. And scroll down, one more thing is remaining. Click this, and I'm gonna add an icon. So you guys can see icon selector. Click this, and I'm gonna add arrow, something like this. Where is the good one? There you go. So I'm gonna add this icon, and this looks our really basic and simple landing page. You guys can just click and preview this landing page right now. It will take few seconds, so wait a minute. So you guys can see your landing page looks like this. Really basic, simple landing page, but we gonna must add affiliate links. Okay, cross this, and I'm gonna add affiliate link in image. You guys just click this image, and you guys can see screenshot. On the screenshot you guys can see open URL. Just click this, okay, and select and paste your affiliate link. Wait a minute, there is my affiliate link. There you go. Once you paste this, then you guys click this button button, and you guys can see next step URL. Click this and open URL, select this and just paste your affiliate link, and then you guys save changes. Okay, so our landing page is done. We are ready to promote our landing page. If you guys want, you guys must add your affiliate link also in privacy policies. Click 2 times and just add it here, and you guys can see save. Click this, your affiliate link also saved in privacy policies, terms and conditions, and contact us. Okay, so our landing page is ready. So we're gonna promote this landing page through this website. Is called simpletraffic.co. okay, this is a really cool website. I'm gonna show you, might be a lot of people you know about, but I'm gonna show you one trick related to this website, and I guarantee you, you guys did not waste your $1 in here. Okay, so we directly go to start now, and first of all I'm gonna add my affiliate link, email address, and first and last name. Okay, so you guys can see I added my landing page URL, my email, first name, last name, and scroll down, and now we're gonna target the location. So for example, we want the traffic comes from United States first of all, and second If you want to add another one, just click this and we go with, like, for example, United Kingdom. These are the two websites. And devices, we go with all the devices. Okay, scroll down and pick one, and you guys must select the get more affiliate sales, because we are promoting affiliate offers. That's why we need more affiliate sales. Click this, and now these guys click this, and this guy gives you an option monthly billing payment. So we're gonna select the first one right now because we need only 500 visitors per day. This costs you $15 a month. So select this one, but remember one thing, there is an option in first 5 days is a trial for you. Okay, in first 5 days these guys did not cut your any money. Okay, did not cut any money. You guys must run this for 4 days. If you guys get a sale, then buy this $15 campaign. If you guys did not get a sale in 4 days, then you guys just cancel the subscription. This is very easy, and this is a very effective way. You guys get a lot of clicks, you guys get a sale, then buy this subscription. If you guys did not get a sale, so make sure you guys don't buy this subscription. Why? Because in 4 days you guys get 2,000 clicks. 2,000 is a lot of clicks, and you guys just click publish and you are good to go. And I'm gonna show you a few estimates how much money you guys can make if you guys get 2,000 clicks. Estimate earnings. So these are the estimates I'm gonna show you. So if you run your ad for 4 days with simpletraffic.co, it means you guys get 2,000 link clicks, because these guys are claimed that we are give you 500 visitors every single day, right? So for example, you run your ad for 4 days, you guys get 200 link clicks, and for example 1% conversion rate, it means you guys made 20 sales. So the average commission is $30, and you guys multiply 30 multiplied by 20 is equal to 600. So you guys easily made $600 with this method.